Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change Ford Transit brake pads. Before starting, always prioritize safety. Ensure your vehicle is on a level surface and securely supported by jack stands. Wear safety glasses and gloves to protect yourself from debris and chemicals. Having the right tools like a jack, lug wrench, and caliper compressor will make the job much smoother and safer. Once the wheel is off, locate the caliper and remove the two guide pin bolts. You might need a wrench or socket for this. Gently pry the caliper off the rotor, being careful not to damage the brake line. Then, slide out the old brake pads. Take a moment to inspect your brake rotor for grooves or uneven wear. It might need resurfacing or replacement. Before installing new pads, clean the caliper and apply a thin layer of high-temperature brake lubricant to the contact points. Use a caliper compressor tool to gently push the piston back into the caliper housing. This creates space for the thicker new pads. Carefully slide the new pads into place, then reinstall the caliper and tighten the guide pin bolts to the manufacturer's specifications. After everything is reassembled, pump the brake pedal repeatedly until it feels firm. This pushes the caliper piston out and seats the new pads against the rotor. Check your brake fluid reservoir to ensure the level is correct. Finally, take your Ford Transit for a short test drive at low speeds in a safe area to confirm the brakes are working properly before normal driving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.